I have two big boxes filled with products that are made to help us take care of our cigars. Whether we want to keep cigars long term for aging or even short term ready to be smoked, the products in these boxes are made just for that, to help us keep the cigars in the best conditions possible. Welcome back to Daily Cigar. I am Lisardo Vivas, and as I mentioned earlier, I have two boxes here filled with products that are going to help us take care of our cigars. But before I do the unboxing and go through everything, I want to say a big thank you to all of you that have subscribed, that have supported the channel, that share the videos, and leave me those nice comments that inspire me to carry on making more videos. Thanks to you, I was very fortunate that the guys from Boveda reached out and they said they wanted to send me a care package with some items that obviously will help us with cigars. Now my thought is that I will use some of the items in here to create more content, like the humidity, the best ways to age cigar, how to season a humidor, all of those things to do with humidity and maintenance of cigars. But anyway, thank you Boveda, thank you all of you. Please continue to support the channel by liking, sharing, and leaving me some comment. Enough talking, let's unbox this. As there are two boxes, one big and one small, I'm gonna start with the small one. I have actually used Boveda for a few years now, and what they do is really good. I really use the products, and you can see that is also used by, you know, merchants and stuff. When you buy cigars online especially, they normally stick a Boveda pack in there. That's because the products are good. So this pack is quite simple. They are just 4-pack of 20 packs Boveda. There are 69. Are they all 6? Oh, this one is 84 and this one is 84. So we have 284, 269. I will explain what the difference of this will be later on when I make those videos that I was mentioning. When should you use your 69? When should you use your 84? Okay, so the big box is here. Let's have a look at this one. I think this one's got a bit more products. It sounds like more things inside. I'm guessing they sent that one in one box because it's so heavy. So here we have something that I think is very useful, especially if you are starting in cigars or you have a surplus of cigars that don't fit on your humidor. They're basically a nice Ziploc bag made with the right materials, and they come with a Boveda inside. This is a very nice way to keep your cigars if you have an extra box. What I use them for as well is I have a big fridge humidor. So there's a lot of cigars there. There's a lot of cigars that I'm collecting and I'm aging and stuff. And when I buy something online, I am a bit worried to just stick it straight away into the humidor. Having something like this, you can put, you know, a box or two inside of this. They will still be nicely humidified. If you lock it up, it has its own Boveda bag. You can even put it inside your humidor so that it's kept at a nice temperature. If you like me, I have a fridge so I can control the temperature. If you're in a hot weather climate, this is perfect. You just put your cigars in there, put it inside your temperature controlled unit, and it will still be humidified, but it won't affect your other cigars. This one is the smaller size instead of the very large. So we have small, medium, and large. They send me the 3 sizes of their humidor. These ones are amazing. As you can see, they're not too thick, and you can stick maybe 5-6 cigars in here. If you're a person that only smokes 1 cigar, 2 cigars a month, this is all you need. You don't need to buy a humidor. You don't need to worry about seasoning the humidor, making sure that you open it, you close, all of this maintenance stuff. If you just want to have something that's very easy, one of these humidor bags are perfect. That's the difference. And then the large size, which is the one that I'll recommend to put your extra cigars in there, quarantine your cigars, things like that. The next item that I have over here are humidor starter kits. Earlier I said some content is going to come from this. This is one of the videos that I want to create. I have a brand new desk humidor that I will use this to take you through the process of using this and properly seasoning a humidor. What you find is that most people recommend just getting some distilled water and just brush it on maybe 2-3 times, and then that's it. But you run the risk of damaging the humidor, of not doing it properly, leaving residue from the sponge or the clothes that you're using that could also damage your cigars. With a humidor kit like this one's inside here, it takes a bit longer, but it is a gradual seasoning of those humidors. The wood takes all that moisture up slowly. It is perfect. I mean, I will do a video of it. I think it'd be better to do a proper video and explain everything through it. And then the next items are little packs of Bovedas. These ones are really useful. As I said, you know, when I have my little travel humidor, sometimes even my cases that you carry 3 cigars or 2 cigars or something like that, you can normally just slide one of these and it keeps your cigars nice. Now these ones are also a great product, because normally when we buy humidors, I'm not sure if it shows here, they come with this little hygrometer thing, quite useless, you know. I prefer to buy one of the digital ones. This one ran out of battery actually, but sometimes you don't know if they're correct or they're wrong. A kit like this is a one-step kit to calibrate your hygrometer. These ones over here, they are wooden holders and they hold 4 packets. There's nothing wrong of putting your Boveda pack on top of your cigars, touching your cigars. But if you don't like that, if you prefer to have a bit of separation, then these holders are amazing, because if your humidor already has the metal plate, so you just stick them to the top of the humidor, you put your Bovedas inside from the side here, and you're ready to go. We have the big one here, which is the 320 gram, exactly the same thing, 69, but these ones are more for larger humidor. Instead of having to put 5-6 of this, maybe one of this, just put it inside and that will service the whole humidor. That's why they have this size. After I do a couple of videos of everything, I will also bring Rob from Boveda to have a little interview with me, where we're going to talk about ingredients on this, what the best case scenarios, what's better for what. We'll also talk about the company and all of this. I will link all of this in the description below. If you want to support the channel, then you just buy from those links. I'm not getting paid to promote Boveda. The way I want to run the channel is, they want to offer a product, I'm happy to accept it. If I think it's worth it, I'll unbox it, review it, and I'll give my honest opinion. So subscribe, leave me a comment, make a purchase if you like, share with your friends. And I'm gonna leave you last week's video over here, the playlist over here, and don't forget to smoke less, smoke the best.